Hello dear friends, today we will talk about how to delete comments on TikTok app. So let's go to the TikTok and choose one of our video to delete a comment. For example, this one. Oh, close. For example, this one. Later, pick on the comment section you can find on this site. And for example, we will choose the comment of our friend by holding on and choosing the delete option from the list. Yes, as you can see, we have the result. The comment is removed. Perfect. Later, let's pick on the not now and check the result again. Maybe this comment will appear. Wait a minute, please. Pick on the same video to the comment section, and yes, well done. So we hope that this video was useful and needful. Don't forget to subscribe on our YouTube and of course TikTok channels. Have a good day, have a good luck. Goodbye.